Hello everyone, magandang gabi po muli. So this is Teacher Ayan. So our topic for this evening is about deriving the formula of the volume of a rectangle pyramid and estimating volumes. So this is grade 7 mathematics. So if you are interested with this video, please like and comment para alam na natin kung saan nakarating yung ating mga videos. Okay, simulan na po natin. So we have objectives. First objective is we're going to derive the formula for the volume of a rectangular pyramid using models of prisms and pyramids. Number 2, estimate the volume of a rectangular pyramid given its dimensions. And lastly, value the use of geometric reasoning in real-life problems involving volume. So question, which container do you think can hold more sand or water? Why? Prism or rectangular pyramid? Okay, so next is, how do you think the volume of the pyramid is related to the volume of the prism? Okay, how do you think the volume of the pyramid is related to the volume of the prism? So since the volume of the prism is equal to the base times the height, so the pyramid is 1/3 of the prism. Okay, ito yan. So the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 times the base times the height. So if you're going to balikan natin yung ating rectangular pyramid and the prism, of course, ang base niyan is rectangle. So therefore, you're going to measure for the prism, the length, the width, and the height in order to get the volume. Now, for the rectangular pyramid, 1/3 times length times width times height. So therefore, the base area, that is equivalent to the length times width. Okay, bakit 1/3? Okay, according to the image, kung nakikita nyo, imagine na meron kayong hawak na pyramid at saka prism na parehas ang height at parehas din ang kanilang base area. Ngayon, kung lalagyan natin yan ng tubig or buhangin, bago mapuno ang isang prism or rectangular prism, 3 beses niyang pupunuin yung ating rectangular pyramid. Okay? That's why naging 1/3. 1 out of 3. Right? Example, find the volume of a rectangular pyramid with the length of 12 centimeters, with 8 centimeters and the height of 15 centimeters. Of course, our base, so this is our length, which is 12 centimeters. This is our width, which is 8 centimeters, and our height is 15 centimeters. Now, if you're going to solve this one, let us apply the volume of the pyramid, which is 1/3 times base times height. So in order to get the base area, so you need to multiply the length and the width. So that is 8 times 12, that's equivalent to 96. Alright, after that, 1/3 times 96 times 15. So 96 times 15 first, that is 1,140. And then, para mas madali, 1,140, you're going to multiply that into 1/3, or i-divide na natin na siya ng 3. So 1,440 divided by 3, that is 480. And do not forget to write the units, which is in centimeter. So 480 cubic centimeters. So this is our final answer. Okay, practice. Okay, kindly pause this video and then apply the formula to solve the problem. So, basahin natin ang problem. Estimate the volume of the pyramid with the base of 10 meters by 6 meters and the height of 9 meters. Okay, please comment your answers below para alam naman natin kung saan nakarating itong video na ito. Thank you so much for dropping this channel by listening at sa pagtsatsaga. Right, please like, comment, and share this video para mas malayo pang marating ng ating video at mas marami pang makakalam ng ating topic. So, thank you so much and God bless to everyone. Again, this is Teacher Ayan. Daghang salamat.